Spinach is low in calories yet abundant in essential nutrients. The nutrients in spinach include vitamins A, C, K, and folate, along with minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. High nutrient density in spinach supports overall health without significantly increasing caloric intake. Spinach contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, contributing to digestive health. Insoluble fiber aids in moving food through the digestive system, preventing bloating and constipation. Soluble fiber slows digestion, promoting a feeling of fullness, which helps reduce snacking and overeating. Thylakoids in spinach reduce appetite by increasing satiety hormones, which decreases cravings for sugary and fatty foods. The potassium and magnesium in spinach help balance sodium levels, reducing water retention and abdominal bloating. Iron in spinach enhances oxygen delivery to muscles, improving workouts and calorie burning, while antioxidants reduce inflammation.